Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating topic of collective consciousness. This concept refers to the idea that we are all connected at a fundamental level and that our thoughts and actions can have a profound impact on the world around us. In this video, we'll discuss what collective consciousness is, how it works, and some of the ways in which we can tap into this powerful force. Collective consciousness is a term that was first coined by the French sociologist Émile Durkheim in the late 19th century. It refers to the shared beliefs, values, and norms that exist within a society or culture. However, the concept has since been expanded to include the idea that we are all connected at a deeper level and that our collective thoughts and actions can have a powerful impact on the world around us. The exact mechanism behind collective consciousness is not fully understood, but there are several theories that attempt to explain it. One theory suggests that our brains and consciousness are made up of quantum particles and therefore can become entangled with other particles in the universe. This means that our thoughts and intentions can become entangled with the thoughts and intentions of others, creating a collective field of consciousness. Another theory suggests that our thoughts and intentions can create a collective field of energy or vibration, which can have a profound impact on the world around us. This is the basis of practices such as meditation and visualization, which are believed to be able to tap into this collective field of energy and create positive changes in the world. There are several ways in which we can tap into the power of collective consciousness. One of the most effective ways is through meditation and visualization. By focusing our thoughts and intentions on a particular outcome, we can create a collective field of energy that can help to bring about positive change in the world. This can involve visualizing a peaceful world, sending healing energy to those in need, or simply radiating positive energy and love into the world. Another way to tap into collective consciousness is through group prayer or intention setting. When a group of people comes together with a shared intention, they can create a powerful field of energy that can have a profound impact on the world around them. This can involve gathering together in person or connecting through online communities and social media. Consciousness is still a subject of ongoing scientific research and philosophical debate, and there is no consensus on its origins. However, there are several theories and hypotheses about the nature of consciousness. One prominent theory is that consciousness arises from the activity of the brain. According to this view, consciousness is a product of the complex interactions of neurons and other brain cells. Some researchers suggest that consciousness is an emergent property of these neural processes, meaning that it arises from the interactions of many individual components rather than being a property of any one component. Another theory is that consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the universe, akin to space, time, and matter. This view is sometimes called panpsychism, and it suggests that consciousness is present in all physical matter, not just in brain. Some philosophers and scientists have suggested that consciousness may be an illusion or a byproduct of certain cognitive processes. For example, the philosopher Daniel Dennett has argued that consciousness is a user illusion created by the brain to help us make sense of the world and to interact with it effectively. Overall, while there is no definitive answer to the question of where consciousness comes from, it is an active area of research and study, and many different perspectives are being explored. In conclusion, collective consciousness is a powerful force that can help us to create positive change in the world. By tapping into this collective field of energy, we can create a more peaceful, loving, and harmonious world for ourselves and for future generations. Whether through meditation, visualization, group intention setting, or other practices, we can all play a role in harnessing the power of collective consciousness and creating a better world. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.